Biology role. Very important country. Yeah. But no matter bad job, मेरे को एक बार इस समय मैंने वो भी नहीं किया सबको ज्यादा मिला से बाद में दिखा हाँ पहले I asked you after 10:45. Yes. 10:45. So you are giving more work at 10:45. No. What does Patel? That was so amazing. Well, then. Hello, Patil. Where is the place for you? Huh? There, see, finish yourself. Company. Huh? Company. I'm done. I sit there now. Girish knows he has to sit there. Sit down. Only one person. One sheet I am seeing what you doing. Another one signature. It is enough. One. Yes, sir. Not on there. See, he kept his mouse on my chair only. So I should not sit. No. Okay. Let me fix it. Yeah. And so we were discussing about the similarity of the triangles. Which are the different tests of similarities we have? Triple nine. Okay, let's one by one read. What is the meaning of triple nine? Means when the corresponding angles are equal, the two triangles are similar. Yes or no? Okay, look here. You want. So, what are the corresponding angles? Angle A is equal to angle B. Angle B is equal to angle C. Angle C is equal to angle R. Then the two triangles are similar. Then we will write the reason is AAA similarity. Now look, if it is given as what is marked over here? Angle A is equal to angle B and angle B is equal to angle Q. How about angle C and angle R? Are they equal? Why? 66. 66. No, there's 180. Angle sum property. Yes or no? Sum of the angles is equal to 180. If these two pairs are equal, third angle is automatically equal. Now you followed Y double A. If two pair of angles are equal, automatically the third pair will be equal. So you don't need to prove. That is why in the question when it's coming, just only prove two pair of angles are equal. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. By directly you write as A similarity. Are we following? That is the easiest similarity. And around 90% of the question we will be doing by A similarity. Now, the possibilities I'll show you. In the figure, what is going on? Listen now. In the figure, Girish, how many triangles are there in that figure? Two, which are two triangles? PD. Can you prove they are similar? Yes. Prove. Quick. PD is equal to P. PD is similar to P. Sir, where is PD similar to P? What is the meaning of PD similar to P? The sentence here telling is PD similar to PE means what? Sides are similar. What is the meaning of sides similar? Similar. What is it telling you? Sit down. Yes. D is parallel to QR. D is parallel to QR. And PQ is a transversal. So angle PD is equal to angle PQR. Angle PD is equal to angle PQR. Reason. Corresponding angles. Yes or no? One pair. Or what about the third angle? So you can tell now. What you write is no need to write. Listen now. Angle P is common. One pair. Second one. These two angles are equal corresponding angle. Or these two angles are equal corresponding. Two pair of angles. What is there similar here? Why are you going to hide here behind? You stand up and then come one bench ahead. This naughty creature, no? Now you want to hide anywhere, okay, fool. Not hide behind the glass, okay. Nothing will do all. Yeah. So clear now? So all of you followed? Everyone, no problem. The same condition given. There is one quite common places you will see that one. Second one. Same thing, na? Ashwardhan, how many times you are supposed to do? 4 times. You will write 6 times. Okay, ready here. And plus homework. Patil, how many people are supposed to stay back? 8. He is one party to that, no? He is writing in between, no? Bring that book here. Bring it here. Where did you write? Here starts, okay? After. From there, 4 times you go. Okay, now? No. So here 90 degrees coming. Then common angle you can see. Yes or no? Angle B and angle A are equal, both are 90 degree. And angle C is equal to common. Okay? Are we followed all of you? So the ratio is coming. Now, next is so Gandhi standard. We proved these two triangles are similar now. Yes. Which two triangles are similar? PD and PQR. PQR, all of you listen. Tell the ratio of the sides. PD by DQ. PD by DQ. PD by DQ. PD by PQ. We are not talking PPT. Understood or not? Why I am making to tell me the PPT is different. In the PPT, PD by DQ. Here similarity what legal? PD by PQ is equal to P by PR. P by PR is equal to third one. third side is not there.
QR.
DE
by QR.
Is equal to DE by QR. In BPT, there is no relation over here, you'll get. Are you followed? Yes. In BPT, you are getting as PD by DQ and PE by PR. In similarity, what is the condition getting? PD by PQ is equal to PE by ER is equal to DE by QR. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes.
Sure. Okay, now listen, since we are that, this also I'll explain then. So, suppose if it is given. PD by DE is equal to 5 upon 3. Oh, sorry, not PD by DQ. Okay. PD by DQ is equal to 5 upon 3. Then what will be PD by PQ? 5 upon 8. How did you get it? Simply you can add.
PQ equal to PD plus.
PQ is equal to PD plus DQ. Then can you take PD is equal to 5 and DQ is equal to 3? What she said is correct. Then how did he get? That's the question. It's very simple. Array ratio is 5:3 means how do you take? Linear equation is also there. If ratio is 5:3 means which are two numbers? 5x and 3x now. Then what will be PQ? 5x plus 3x, 8x. Therefore 5x upon 8x, 5:8. Simplest way is that. Understood or not? If this is a ratio means 5x and 3x. Therefore PQ is equal to 5x plus 3x equal to 8x. Therefore PD upon PQ is equal to 5 upon 8. Okay. Now, what is DE by QR?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
DE by QR is equal to 5 upon 3 or 5 upon 8? 5 upon 8. PD by PQ is equal to DE by QR. That is equal to, therefore it is equal to 5 upon 8. Do not confuse these all properties. Okay, now the ratios is clear now. So we discussed about which similarity we got it? A similarity or A similarity. Now what is SSS similarity?
Side.
What is side and B? Tell. Corresponding sides are same ratio or corresponding sides are proportional. When the corresponding sides are proportional, these two triangles are similar. So what should be given? So what should be given? To apply SSS similarity, what should be given? All of you please close the volume. All of you close the volume. Okay, notebook also if you want to close, not close. Otherwise, close the volume. You party also. And listen, close the volume means these two things. Alright, tell now. To apply SSS similarity, what should be given? So tell. Sides and angles. Tell na. What is it? Letter tell now. Loud, I can't hear. Patil, to apply SSS similarity, what should be given in the question? We need to prove triangle ABC is similar to PQR by SSS similarity. What should be given? All ratios should be equal given. I asked you what should be given. What is given? I did not ask. What should be given? AB upon PQ. That's a boiler. Ratio AB upon PQ should be equal to BC by QR. Should be equal to AC by PR. Then we conclude what? By SSS similarity, these two triangles are similar. Yes or no? Suppose it is given this way. 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, okay, 12 centimeter, then 18 centimeter, and this is 15 centimeter. Now check. Yes or no?
No.
No. So it is if I write as this one, now the problem comes solved.
Yes.
So check AB by PQ. How much? 1 by 3. BC by QR, 1 by 3. AC by PR, 1 by 3. All ratios are equal, therefore these two triangles are similar. by SSS similarity. Devansh, are you following? Yes. Sure. Yes. Followed or not? Okay. Aaron, to prove this by SAS similarity. By the way, what should be SAS similarity? Tell now what is it? SAS similarity.
Side angle.
A side angle, side means what?
Sir,
Ratio of
two
the
corresponding
side
side and
angle.
angle between them should be even. Two corresponding side and angle between them.
Two corresponding sides what?
So they should be in the same ratio.
Say proportional say. Two pair of sides are proportional. And the which angle? Which angle? Excluded angle or between angle are equal. Are you followed? What is the say similarity says? Two pair of sides are proportional and the included angles are equal. Then the two triangles are similar. Are you followed, all of you? Anaka, to apply SA similarity, what should be given? RSP, AB and ratio you have to get now. And equal to AB upon PQ is equal.
BC upon QR.
So finally AC is over now. We decide, don't change it. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Over, that's enough. And
ABC.
angle B is equal to angle Q. Yes or no? Two sides. AB upon BQ is equal to BC upon QR. What angle should be equal? Angle B should be equal to angle Q. Or AB upon APQ is equal to AC upon PR. Then angle A should be equal to. Are you followed? Yes, Devansh. Devansh. Devansh is not talking. Yes, sir. Okay, stand up, Devansh. Prove these two triangles are similar. Why is that given in this question?
By SS.
Huh?
SS.
I'll prove it now.
Sir, AB upon PQ. Angle is equals to angle.
Angle AB upon PQ. Array ratio means this ratio should be equal to this ratio. Not AB upon PQ equal to something you have to tell now. Then why you can SSS? Sit down. Did you hear the question? You have to prove these two triangles are similar by SAS similarity by the given condition. Yes, this man. Why they are not similar? Then which similarity?
SS.
Now you are telling. So you want to tell?
I think 60 है ना.
Hello. Tell. Yes, Aaron. Tell.
So all the angles are 60
Oh,
because
why all angles are 60? Where is it from? By the way, this is 3 and this is 5. How all angles 60? Yes, Mister.
Sir, they're not possible.
Why they are not possible? Why they are not possible?
They're not sir.
Huh? They are why they are not similar?
So it's just.
So
This one.
let one of you tell. One of you raise the hand. All of you are raising the hand. Keep jumping. Sir, let him the chance. No? Okay. Huh?
Angle is not between the.
Angle should be between. Angle A should be equal to angle P. Understood? Not angle A is equal to Q. Okay now, this one. So now, suppose if it is given this way. Okay, this one. Mister.
So they are similar.
Why they are similar?
Because
Because
A upon PQ
AB upon BQ.
is equal to 1 upon.
Huh.
And no sir.
No sir, and no sir.
The triangle.
Tell now, Mister.
So
No, enough now, you proceed more. Okay.
so triangle BAC is similar.
First
to triangle.
tell which to very.
Okay, so
Tell ABC.
okay.
Triangle ABC.
Triangle ABC is equal to is similar to triangle ABC is QPR.
QPR. Prove it. You said triangle ABC, right? Reason here to tell, okay? ABC similar to triangle QPR. Okay, reason.
No.
No.
Triangle QPR. Sir, but triangle BAC is
If BSc means then automatically ABC also you can write, no? I want, fellow say, do this. One chicken stand up. Go and tell them to be quiet. Or one slap you can. I am telling to you do some other work, not answer. Sit down. Tell him to be quiet. One looking who? He's so powerful. One look at. 10 times I said he not do it. Whenever any request, I will call you. Okay. Okay, tell Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So QPR की जगह RP
Yeah, first you tell what are the conditions. Tell now. Then we.
AB by PQ.
AB by PQ
1 by
is equal to what?
3 by 9.
Is equal to what?
1 by 3.
Is equal to what? AC upon
QR.
QR. Both are equal to 1 by 3. Yes or no? Then next is
Angle A is equal to angle Q.
angle A is equal to angle Q. Now check if these two triangles are similar. Now the ratio you check AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon QR. Then what was then we should know now.
Sorry.
So it is correct. It is not necessary you have to write BAC. Okay, you tell BAC, be happy. Okay. BAC
Yes.
is similar to
QPR.
QPR. Yes or no? That also you can write. BAC is equal to QPR is wrong. Then it is PQR, no? P corresponds to which one? No, it is okay. A corresponds to Q. Order ratio should be equal. So this way you can write. Okay now? Oh, Girish, okay now? No, he's not ready. Is it okay? So all the three similarities followed. Yes. Hello. How are you? Can you see how you can stand up? Are you stand up now? Don't worry, go behind. Just go on to the. Just watch and come back. Nice, no? Can you see that now?
A photo stand out.
Actually, he will take one photo, okay? If you make him the center of the ground, you stand over there. Okay, but don't worry, he's a. Yeah. Depression. By seeing only you depressed. Okay, then this is similarity followed. Sets you remember this one. Don't tell again. Next is another one. Oh, this is another. So all the types of similarity followed. Okay. When it is coming as over here, just simply don't tell common sign and all. Like if I write this way. These two triangles. Consider triangle ADB and ADC. Can they prove similar?
No.
Can you tell AD is equal to AD?
Yes.
In symbol, you can tell, but there is no use in similarity. Okay. In similarity, there is no common side, equal side. Okay. Angle should be. Another one. What is this figure? Trapezium. Today we did parallelogram. Who did parallelogram? Oh, Giriya. Today 2 times we did this figure, no?
Yes.
Okay. Which two triangles are similar in this figure? Trapezium. There are a lot of figures, a lot of triangles are there. Yes or no? Name the pair of similar triangles in this figure. Let's see who's playing what. Raise the hand. You have to prove it also. Simply don't tell. Okay. This is what nothing else is given. Okay. Aaron. No. Then who else? Aditya.
Triangle ABC and
Triangle. Angle or triangle?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay.
Triangle ABC and triangle TOS.
How?
So
You will not control here. Triangle
Triangle
ABC. In triangle ABC and which triangle?
No.
ABC, this is the triangle. Then,
AOB.
now keep on reading. Okay, now we're reading.
Sir, ABC and DBC.
ABC and DBC. Prove they are similar.
Sir, construction.
No construction. Even construction, you will not be able to prove they are similar. You said triangle ABC and a triangle DBC. How they are similar? As now.
Sir, triangle AOB and DOC.
Prove. But you will not be able to prove what you said correct. That is not correct. Triangles are same, order is different.
Sir, angle OAB and DOC or vertically opposite.
Triangle AOB is equal to angle DOC, vertically opposite angle.
Angle ABD and BDC alternate.
Alternate interior angles. This is the one you wanted to tell now.
Vertical opposite.
So one which are now check. Which are the two triangles similar? Triangle AOB is similar to triangle which triangle? A, this is equal to this. Then this is equal to which? COD. Remember. These two are equal. Reason. Alternate interior angle. These two are equal or vertically. Order is very important. Are you following anything? Sure. Follow. These two triangles are similar. Okay. Can you tell any others? Okay. Look here. If you prove similarity now, you can take the ratio and check the ratio. You tell. AO.
By CO
See. Is it difficult? First.
is equal to.
Then
Is equal to.
is equal to
A.
OB or BO upon DO is equal to.
AB opposite.
You remember that we draw on constructions and all no? Draw path. No construction required. Directly you can do. Then interchange you want that. Similarity becomes easy. There's no. Okay, understood or not? First two steps you write vertically opposite angle, alternating direction. Therefore, this is similar. Recent corresponding parts of similar triangle. CSST. CPCT you remember now? Okay, what is CPCT? Corresponding part of constant triangle. You can write CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. Okay, even if the teacher don't allow, you write in words, corresponding part of similar triangles. Okay, so are we followed? Everyone. You're feeling sleepy now? You woke up, no? I will ask the girls for sleeping. Huh? Oh, actually, no, okay, this man is.
Right.
Okay, now? All right, sir. Why you sit there in between, look at me. Oh. Okay. So, now, okay, look at here. In this figure, any other pair triangle similar? Lot of pairs of triangles. You want to raise the hand? Yes.
AOD and C.
AOD and CO. Yes, prove they are similar. You.
No, they are not.
That
Angle AOD and angle.
triangle.
Okay, sir. Angle AOD is equals
Which
to
are the two triangle? Name the triangle.
angle AOD and angle BOC.
These two.
Huh.
She said no, and now you are telling yes. Yes, tell how.
Angle AOD is equals to angle BOC.
Yes, vertically opposite. Agree. Second one.
Angle DAO is equals to angle DAO.
Is equal to? Is equal to angle. Tell now.
Angle DAO is equals to angle OBC.
These two. You mean to say these two? These two are equal.
No.
Then
No, nothing.
nothing. No nothing. Are they equal?
No.
Yes.
Sir, sir.
Tell.
So the same triangle.
Ah.
First, draw a circle.
Vertical circle. Which circle?
Sir,
Circle
Sir,
or
can-
turtle.
Huh?
can,
Which circle? Where?
sir,
Circle will pass through which and
Yes.
which and which and?
sir, with A, B, and C and D.
How do you know circle passing through A, B, C, D?
Sir, I can.
Always there is circle pass through 4 points.
No.
Circle pass through 3 points. Fourth point means it is cyclic quadrilateral. How do you know it's cyclic quadrilateral?
Imagine, sir, imagine.
Imagine similarity, okay? You cannot imagine like that. Okay? You cannot prove these two triangles similar. Then, can you prove triangle ABO and triangle CBO similar? ABO and CBO. Have you seen ABO? Similar. Tell na. Yes. You see. Second is. You are issue party. Yes. Party. They are being called, no? Ask the girls.
No.
You're not feeling called, no?
No. We
He
are
is-
here. No. No, it's you.
Oh, it's- Tell na. Answer to
If I have
these two. Are these two triangles are? I'll switch on the fan for some time. You're free.
No, sir, AC.
Sir,
Sir, AC, sir.
Okay. You cannot prove these two triangles are similar. Understood or not? If there is nothing common or angle or something.
Sir, can you prove common sides equal?
The common sides is not in similarity. That is why I made you to write not. In similarity, there is no common side or equal sides. Okay now? The last one before going to the exercise. Listen. Something is drawn over here. What is drawn?
right.
Right angle triangle. Okay. What is drawn? By the way, I did not discuss about altitude and all. Okay, perpendicular is formed. Clear? How many triangles are formed? Two, three. Three. He said three, then come to finally we decide.
Two triangles formed and total three.
Total how many triangles formed out? Three triangles are there formed in this figure now. Yes or no? All of you know. Okay. So can you tell any similarity? Look at the figure. Can you tell any similarity here? Oh, everyone is here. Yes. Tell. I assure them.
Angle BDC.
Huh.
Is equal to.
Triangle.
Yes,
You mean
triangle.
to say which two triangles similar first you tell?
BDC and ABD.
You mean to say these two triangles?
Yes.
Small two triangles. Yes, Ashwardhan is going to prove. Huh? Then simply don't tell they are similar. No?
Sir, other two angles is the.
Two pair of angles are equal, similar. Or three pairs of sides are proportional, similar. Or two pair of sides and equal triangle equal, similar.
Angle BDC,
Which are the two triangles you are going to tell?
triangle BDC and triangle BDA.
So can we take
Sir, can
these two triangles? When I say one telling means others be quiet. You mean to say these two triangles similar, let's prove.
Angle BDC is equals to.
These two are equal 90 degrees. Second,
Angle B is common.
where is angle B is common?
Common angle is 90.
Yes.
Array, you are telling this triangle BDC now. In this one 90 degree B. How is in BDC? BDC's part is this much only now.
Two common.
Is it common between triangle ADB? Other triangle angle is which one? Is it common between these two? Then how did you get common? No. Okay, now who is the next one? Party.
So can we take triangle ABC and DBC?
Huh?
ABC and ABC,
ABC and
DBC.
you prove they are similar. That I agree.
Angle C is
Over. Now look at
Sir, Arey?
Arey? I wrote two triangles here. Have you identified?
Yes.
Can you prove these two triangles similar? Prove that maybe. Or maybe. Arey,
Characters construction.
there is no construction, nothing required. Construction means other triangles will come. This one you cannot prove similar means you are fools.
Angle D is equal.
Angle A is common between these two triangles or not? So you got your question. Angle A is equal to angle A common. Then what is angle ADB is how much?
90
Is equal to angle ABC. So two pair equal. Now check the order. A and D. D is equal to B. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by A similarity. Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Can you tell another pair? Look at triangle BDC and triangle ABC. What you was telling?
Angle C is common.
Angle C is common between these two triangles.
Yes.
And angle BDC is equal to angle ABC. Therefore, they are similar. Again, A similarity. So first one you got, second one you got. Agree? All of you. Are tell na?
Yes.
yes.
All of you. Did you follow?
Yes.
So third pair I am going to take triangle ADB and triangle BDC. Check, can you able to prove they are similar or not? If not, no. Angle 90 degree have you seen? Which is a 90 degree? Angle ADB and angle BDC are equal. No. Any other pair equal?
So we write DBC.
DB and DBC are equal. These two are
Then we
equal.
can use CPCD from other two triangles.
CPCT from other two triangles. Then you have to prove CPST. Now look,
So
what do you mean by a right triangle?
one
One angle 90 degree. How about the other two angles? 40 here, 45 here? Other two angles.
So much 90.
Sum is 90. Other two angles are acute and their sum is equal to 90 there. So you look at the triangle ABC. Angle B is equal to how much? Therefore, angle A and angle C sum is equal to how much?
90.
That means if I angle this is equal to x, what will be this angle?
90 minus
90 minus x. Agreed with or not? Agreed, all of you?
Yes.
Look at triangle ADB. What is this one? 90. This is how much? Then what will be this one?
90 minus
Are there any two angles you got now? Or this is equal to x, you will get. Therefore, these two angles are equal or these two angles are equal? Yes or no? Therefore, two pair of angles equal you got. Now, check the order now. Is it the order is coming? These are important questions are going to come in the exams. That's why I am showing the similarity. Is it the order is same? A corresponds to B. 90 degree and 90 degree. Are you followed, all of you? Okay. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Again, this will come in the exercise when coming. You have to write. Okay now. Now here the ratio, all the three pairs are similar. This property was there before. You want water from us? Then what do you? Actually, oh. So sorry. Okay. You're scared of you people. Okay now. Yeah, leave. Now. What is your problem?
Jealous.
You feel jealous. This place was there now. You feel, you know, my place is occupied by someone. But now look here. Over here. Now I'm going to take the ratio. All of you listen. Take the ratio. Take the ratio. AD upon AB is equal to AB upon AC is equal to DB upon BC. I don't need to take that one. I just cross multiply these two. What will happen? AB into AB. Cross multiply no. AB into AB. AB is 2AB.
Oh,
AB square is equal to AD into AC.
It's a whole square.
Or if whole square is called AB square. Oh, you're right, A square, B square.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Condition one followed. Now, you look over here. These two triangles, something was which side is common between these two? These two which side is common?
AB.
AB. That is why AB square is coming. Here also you will see something common side.
BC.
BC. So take the ratio. First and third. BC upon AC is equal to, look at BC second and third. And this is what? BC. Cross multiply what like it?
BC square.
BC square is equal to
BC
BC into AC. Is our, you know why I am showing this one? Sometimes they will ask you to prove this one. They will not show anything, just only prove this one, then you have to do it. Following or not? This one, what is common over here?
DB.
DB is common. So take DB. Second and third now. DB upon
DC.
DC. Where is DB there? Here now? There. There. BD is here now. Take first and second. Cross multiply. DB square is equal to AD into DC. This is the condition. Are you followed? Now, another one. This all followed on a base. I am going to take first and second. I am going to take an add. What will come? Look over here. 1 plus 2 if I take. What will you get? AB square plus BC square is equal to RHS is what? Check. AD into AC plus what into what? DC into AC. Let's see what you can simplify over here.
AC common.
AC is taken common. What is left out?
AD plus DC.
AD plus DC.
80 plus 60.
What is AD plus DC?
AC.
AC. What is AC into AC?
AC square.
AC square na? What is the left side? AB square plus BC square. Look at the figure. Have you got this one?
Pythagoras theorem.
This is a proof of Pythagoras law. AB square plus BC square is equal to. This proof was there in your exam. This one proof that is deleted. Used to come in the exams. Important proof. But is not there. This Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now this can come this way. Prove this, then prove this one. They will not ask prove Pythagoras theorem. They can come. Prove this one, then add these two. Are you following? Okay. These are even your CPQ, case-based questions also, the questions can come this way. Later you will make it to that. Okay, these are questions. Okay, this one. This is parts will come in the questions. Okay, all of you please stand up. Guys, climate is very good. Outside it's really. Oh, only 140. Okay. Okay now. Yeah. Patil. You are the only one Patil here, no? Other Patil is there. Learn second.
He was Patil.
Huh?
Will get it.
Who's Patil? He's Pillai, no? This man, your Patil, no. Patel, no. I know Patel is very good. Girls, any Patil, no.
Very excited now.
Very naughty fellow. Through the curtain also you can see.
Now it's
How your neighbors will sit over there, see through the curtain. This man, how naughty. Through the curtain, say, there are way to see. Yes.
It's
that's the now change. It's not that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
third the last one. Last one, the last.
Next is this one. No, sit down there.
The last one.
You are look at it. Next is your place. Okay. When I tell you, who is back? Okay, this is you. Okay. Sit down. Okay, read. Take out the exercise. All the times every property we have discussed. Other things. Something else? It's not here. Go on, read that one. What is it? Take your exercise. Which one? Third exercise, no? Okay. Third. Third, no. Second exercise just now we did not. First exercise was you are filling the blanks, no? Then third exercise. Okay, different similarities we discussed. Okay, Vanshika, read the first question.
Which pair of triangles and figure are similar? Let us similarity criterion used by users for answering the question how to write a pair of similar triangles plus similarity.
So first you have to tell are they similar? If yes, by which similarity? Then you have to write which triangle is similar to which triangle in symbolic form. The order is very important, okay? So tell first one. Are these two triangles are similar?
Yes.
Who said yes? Tanvi said yes. Okay, all are telling. Okay, Tanvi tell who reason.
QR equal to AC upon QP upon
120. 125. Tell, continue. Not similar?
Yes.
Arun, similar or not? Yes or no? Check the ratio. AB upon what? QR. How much? 2 by 4. BC upon
RP.
PR is equal to again 1 by 2. Okay, so write down. First statement, right? AB upon QR is equal to BC upon PR is equal to AC upon PQ equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, triangles are similar. Triangles are similar. Which criterion used? By SSS similarity. By SSS similarity. Now tell which triangle similar. I need ABC similar to what? Triangle ABC similar to
QRP.
QRP. Yes or no? AB and QR. BC and RP. So therefore, triangle ABC similar to criterion you wrote already. Hope all of you followed. Yes. And we will not tell answer next one. You said already one answer. Second part and let others also say. Okay. Devansh followed. Other second one, you give the answer now. Good. Well done. Ajay, all are looking at Devansh. You are telling? I tell na Devansh. There are people who have raised hand already. Tanvi, you put your hand down. You tell her to put down. Scared. Tell now.
No need.
I'm not sure. Yes.
So, they are also.
Why?
So in triangle DFP and in triangle LPM.
Why LPM? So LPM and TFP can do no.
LP upon DF is equal to 1 by 2.
LP upon
DF
1 by 2.
and B upon EF. Sir, DE upon FB.
Why ulta you are telling ulta? So small first triangle by second triangle tell now. You said LP upon TF is equal to 1 by 2. Then
Sir, FB upon DE is
1 by 2. Then
LM upon EF is not equal to.
Not equal to 1 by 2. So their triangles are so right. Right. MP upon DE is equal to 1 by 2. 2 by 4, 1 by 2. LP upon DF is equal to 1 by 2. LM upon EF is equal to 2.7 upon 5. LM upon EF is equal to 2.7 upon 5, which is equal to 27 upon 50. Therefore, ratios are not equal now. No angles were given. Some angle was given still.
EF is not equal.
Which is not equal to 1 by 2. 27 upon 50 not equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, triangles are not similar. Nothing else is given now. Are you followed, Devansh?
Sir, I had followed, but I was not confident.
You confidently tell now. Somebody will shout at you.
No, sir.
I will shout at you.
Sir, I didn't.
You tell the third one, tell now.
SAS.
These two triangles are similar, tell now. Quick. And whatever equal and all, something you tell now. Nothing is equal.
ML is equal to PQ.
MN
ML upon PQ.
is equal to how much? 1. How MN upon PQ is 1? ML.
ML.
ML. 5 by 5. And then the other one?
Angle M is equal to angle Q.
And then 5 by 1. Other one is 1.
ML is 2.5. On that.
So it is not run now. Any other ratio check? How about 2.5 upon 5? Do you know what is 2.5 upon 5? 1 by 2. What is 5 by 10? 1 by 2. So two ratios equally got now. And the angle equal angle you got now.
Yes.
So right. Mn upon PQ is equal to ML upon QR. Mn upon PQ is equal to ML upon QR is equal to 1 by 2. Next below. Angle M is equal to angle Q. Okay, therefore, the triangles are similar. Reason is which similarity? SAS similarity. SAS similarity. Now tell right which two triangles are similar. M and L. And are you sure?
Yes.
I'm going to write triangle. Which one is it? M and L now. Don't change the PQR is it this man.
PRQ.
Now don't tell.
PR.
Arey Tanvi.
Q2.
M is equal to what? Look in your figure.
Q.
Then how PR, Q, PQR and all? It should come with Q now.
QR.
Yes.
Is it? Q, QRP or QPR?
QPR.
Order. Don't change the order. Is similar to triangle QPR. Then you check the order. It is basically LMN and PQR. Then I don't know, is it QPR or QRP? Check once again. I think it is MN upon QP, no? Yes.
Yes, QPR.
Correct.
MN.
MN upon. You have to check corresponding whatever given things is matching or not. ML upon. Yes. Pallavi followed now.
Yes, sir.
Girish. Very nice, no? Answer. Followed now? Okay, then second question. Who is going to explain? Girl side is quiet only, Tanvi is only talking. Others three are quietly sitting. Patil is hiding behind Tanvi. Which one is Tanvi? Written, look at the question now. Read.
Oh.
Okay, read one girl. One girl read. One girl read me, please raising her hand.
I will take it.
No, not Tanvi. Tanvi, everything is repeated. Now, two questions can give answer, no? Others. Anaka wanted to give the answer. Okay, read.
And we can
Oh.
triangle we say is similar triangle OBA. Angle EOC is equal to 125 and angle CDO is equal to 70.
Well.
Find angle EOC, angle CDO and angle OB.
Okay. Yeah. While this discussion is going on, Gandhi and Patel is talking. Oh, Gandhi and Patel. Okay. I know that blessed. Okay. Chalo. All right. Okay. Tell Anaka. Anaka. She's not telling you anything. I think, my dear child, tell her something. Not able to tell? Will you follow? What all things is given, at least tell. The Giri is reaching his hand. Huh. And the two triangles similar also given now. Which two triangles?
Similar to
Okay, so tell me how to find out angle DOC. Very simple. Did you see? How? How will you get? Hello? This Patel, girl Patel, shout at him. No, scared, no? Scared at her, no? Scared of you? Yes. She come with Patel. Arey, tell na, Anaka.
Sir, COD is equal to 55.
How did you get 55?
I mean, 180 minus 1.
What property applied?
That's a property.
Who? Why did you change the place? Come little more nearby and you can tell Nana. So he said, linear pair. Okay, then second part.
And there's a pro.
Boys are so caring with the girls. No, when the girls are asking you all one by one is selling linear pair, one is selling angles and probability. Oh. When I ask Devansh anything, nobody gives answer to him. When girls came to the one side, linear pair is going from there, one side angles and properties going from there. Okay, right now, no problem. Answer has come now. So first right, angle DOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Angle DOC plus angle BOC, should I write?
No.
Is equal to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair. Linear pair. Therefore, angle DOC is equal to 180 minus 125. Angle D, right now this man, for you only, all others are written. Angle DOC is equal to 180 minus 125 is equal to 55 degree. Already this Gandhi already said, in triangle DOC. In triangle DOC, by angle some property. Angle CDO plus angle DOC plus angle DCO is equal to 180 degree. Recent angles of property wrote now. Put the values now. You'll get the answer. This is 70 now, and this is 55. And plus angle DCO 180. Therefore, angle DCO is equal to how much you got?
55.
55 degree. All of you got this one?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes. Good.
and
Arey, wait na. It done. Okay, you want third one? Since Tanvi is a
no.
what tell na?
Valid waiting.
Why, where it is written, not written? No. Is it written? No. So how do you know? Third one.
Sir, I will tell.
Sir?
I will tell.
If alternative lines are parallel,
Sir,
wait na. Ashwardhan, you want to tell something? Otherwise, the Patel girl is going to tell. Okay, let us. Okay, tell. Okay, tell. Tell na. Wow. Ashwardhan said tell, she is not telling. Huh? How? How? 55, how? Vertically opposite. Vertically alternate degree. Array for alternate, if the lines are parallel. Then, yes,
linear PO is 180.
linear pair. Array vertically opposite, no problem. The remaining part will be 100. Okay, Gandhi's hand raised. Ah, array look na.
बाहर निकालो फिर लेना से था yes sir yes please
Tell na.
In triangle ODC and triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. So the corresponding
Very good.
angles are equal.
Corresponding parts of similar triangles. This is not given. Okay, so write down triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA. Look at the book and write ODC similar to triangle OBA given. Therefore, which angle? This one, angle OCD is equal to angle OAB. Are you followed? See, OCD, OAB, corresponding parts of similar triangles. What is OCD is given? 55. Therefore, angle OAB, 55 degree. Is that? Are you followed? Okay, don't simply don't conclude alternating their angle. You can prove or parallel and all if you want. What should pick up that panel? Off means okay now.
this is close
Done.
This.
Finish. Where is your mobile?
Yeah.
In between you are taking the mobile now. Bring your mobile. Bring your mobile, let me see. Hello?
photo
No, I don't need photo. Can you happy photo?
ये क्या होगा निकाल
अब कितने में चेंज कर लिए
Change now.
अरे पासवर्ड अच्छा पासवर्ड
से ऊपर क्या है इसके लिए इसने निकालने के
अरे
Sister, what is the state of?
RS
Oh.
अच्छे
Richa teacher also, she is teacher or sister?
sister and her teacher
Richa teacher.
ठीक है अरे यार sorry
Go back. Go back. She will call. Next question. Aditya, sister is your home?
yes
You're quiet, that's why I'm not. Second question, then read the third question.
In figure QD by PR is equal to QR by QS and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Prove that triangle PQS is similar to triangle PQR.
Then,
Yes.
all of you look at the figure and try to identify. I'll read. QT, side this you have identified. QT upon PR is equal to QR upon QS. And second condition is angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Got it? So now one small hint if I give you, you'll get that.
This one is only.
How? Angle 1 and angle 2 are the angles of a triangle. Which triangle? Or you can apply isosceles triangle property. What is equal to what? QP is equal to PR. Yes or no?
Yes.
So write down first statement. In triangle PQR. In triangle PQR. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Therefore, QP is equal to PR. QP is equal to PR. Isosceles triangle property. This page all of you wrote?
Yes.
Okay. The next step, what ratio? What is the ratio given right now? QT upon what is it? PR is equal to QR upon QS. Here you can replace something. PR will be replaced as what? QT upon QP is equal to QR upon QS. Reason is bracket QP and PR are equally proved already. Yes or no? All of you followed this one. Say instead of PR we wrote QP. Now try to identify. Look at the figure. Look at the figure and identify. Now I think you must tell. QT upon corollary. Where's corollary?
Yes.
Look at the figure. QT upon QP is equal to QR upon QS.
So B is parallel to here.
Why you need P? That is the thing to prove. You got QT upon QP, side of big triangle by side of small triangle is equal to, look at the figure, look at here, side of big first triangle by side of second triangle is equal to side of first triangle by second triangle. Two pair of sides are proportional. What is the angle? Common angle. Common angle is what? Q. Angle 1 is equal to angle. Therefore, by SA similarity. Next step, right? And angle 1 is equal to angle 1 common. Therefore, triangle. Similar, no? Which two triangles? PTQR or triangle PQS. Similar to triangle PQR. Yes, say yes. Devansh, are you following anything? Those who did not follow, raise a hand. Only 1, 2. Look here. Look at the triangle, no? This much is clear? Yes or no? Look at the figure. You can see over there you can see QT upon QP. QT is the side of big triangle. Triangle TQR. QP is the side of triangle PQS. Is equal to QR upon QS. Big triangle divided by small triangle is equal to big triangle by small triangle. Yes or no? And the common angle is between angle 1, no? Therefore, TQR is similar to PQS. Should I draw figure again? Follow or not? The sides ratio take big triangle QT by small triangle PQ is equal to again big triangle QR by small triangle QS and the common angle. Hope you got it now. Everyone. Okay. Are the sister did not follow here? What sister? Huh? She's sleeping. She's here only now. Okay now. Our recharge teacher went. Chalo, okay. Next question. Question number 4. This is done, all of you. The complicated sums are coming. Question 4. These are direct ones only, small trick. Yes, Ashwardhan. Your last question, give you chance to this question you do. No, I'll not give chance.
What?
Hello? Call is coming. Then I will tell. Then what comments you are passing?
आ रहा है हमें सच में आ रहा है कट कर
Read. Read na.
If C, D, and GH are respectively bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF, such that D and H lie on AB, and if E of triangle ABC, triangle FCG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FCG,
Now, before going to that one,
सर गांधी भी सेम चीज
do you know what is altitude? Median, angle bisector, perpendicular bisector. Sir, you are all these I know. Yes. Altitude, you know. What is altitude? Height. Perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. Yes or no? How many altitudes can be drawn? Three altitudes can be drawn. They all meet at a common point. Yes. What is that point called? Of orthocenter. Are you followed? Yes. Panchikak standard. Come here. Draw one triangle and show me the altitude.
So what is the meaning?
Wait now, what is the median? Let she's drawing, then why you look at.
अरे आ गया
Step by
मुझे पाया सर क्या करें
Altitude means what? I didn't.
सर तो perpendicular है
Altitude means angle perpendicular. Perpendicular means how do you know? Name it. Which is altitude? You put a name there, no? Then which is altitude? Why here is altitude?
Height.
How do you know it's a height? So then only become altitude, na? Okay, are we followed? Make the second altitude. Then make perpendicular, na? Okay, name it. Then third altitude. Understood all of you?
Yes.
These are three altitudes. All of them meet at a common point. That point is called the orthos. Patel, tell Gandhi PA properly.
Alexa face.
Okay, so write down. Heading right. Properties of triangle. Which of these? Right. Right. Heading right. Properties of triangle. Properties of triangle. Written. Should I write what is the meaning of altitude? Altitude means perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the
opposite side.
perpendicular. You quiet. Okay. Perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. It is another word for altitude is called height. Okay. It is if you want you write down. Those who don't want write in a triangle we can draw three altitudes. In a triangle we can draw three altitudes. Written. They all meet at a common point. They all meet at a common point, which is called orthocenter. Which is called orthocenter. ORTHO, orthocenter. Okay, Tanvi, tell what is median.
Median. Same thing but divided.
Same thing. Altitude and median are same.
No.
What is it?
It divide this and.
So go and draw a figure and show me. Make it a bigger set now, so it will be identified. Another triangle draw. I think little more big. I think base make bigger. So then you will come to know. Then what, show me the altitude in that same page. Hey, so altitude and median are same according to you? So yes, Gandhi wants to talk. Hello? What she said is wrong?
No.
So did you listen to her?
No.
So then listen first now. Then is it altitude and median are same, Gandhi?
No.
So what is it? See, what is the
It's not a
difference?
perpendicular.
Then,
Bisector.
then why did you mark perpendicular there?
I told him this median is perpendicular.
So then median is perpendicular.
No.
Then remove now.
Altitude is perpendicular.
This is now what is drawn over there. Name the figure. And name the median. AD is the median. Then show me in this figure which is altitude. There it's not necessary that make a figure proper, then you will get the idea. Look. Over here. If I draw ABC here. The midpoint, if I take this is the midpoint now. This is AD is the median. Then where is your altitude?
Like that.
Have you followed the difference? Altitude is different, median is different. In some cases, both will come same equilateral triangle and all. Have you followed? What is the meaning median? Line drawn from the vertex to the
Opposite side. Opposite side.
which one? Midpoint of the opposite side. Are we followed? Or which bisect the opposite side? Followed median. Median is different, altitude is different. Okay. Whose is this one? Yours only? No. Whose is this one? Yours only, no? Don't take anything from there. Okay. So, right. Median you have followed. You know what? You want to write the median, write median. Line drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Median is line drawn from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Have you followed? Girish? Okay. How many medians can be drawn? 3 medians can be drawn for a triangle. Next line, right? 3 medians can be drawn for a triangle. Next, tell what is it?
Angle bisector.
Huh?
Angle bisector.
Are a median complete now? They all meet at a common point.
Three mediums.
The 3 medians can be drawn for a triangle and they meet at a common point. The point is called centroid. Right? They meet at a common point. That point is called centroid. CENTROID, centroid. Remember this one. Because this is there in another chapter, you will see in coordinate geometry also. Centroid. Okay. One property also right. Centroid divides.
Dependent.
Huh?
So here's a.
Why he has taken your pen? Aaron?
He gave it to me.
Centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. Written. That property while greater it's required, that's why I'm making to write. Okay. Now. So altitude we said, median is said, they are different things. Okay, remember. Third one, angle bisector. You know what angle bisector itself is clear. Do you know what in angle bisector?
Bisects.
What is the meaning of bisects?
Divides equal.
Huh?
Divides into equal.
Divides into equal parts, right? Angle bisector. I don't need to make you to write. You look here this way. If I draw these two angles are equal, then it is called the angle bisector. Written angle bisector. We can draw three angle bisectors. Three angle bisectors can be drawn. And they all meet at a common point. Three angle bisectors can be drawn. They all meet at a common point. That point, you know what is it? In center. The common point is called in center. The basic name you remember. Properties and all, forget now. In center. Okay, altitude common point is called what? Altitude common point is called orthocenter. Median angle bisector. The next one. What is the next one? Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Do you know what I mean by perpendicular bisector, Tanishka? What is perpendicular bisector?
The line not perpendicular to the, from a point to the side of the.
Perpendicular, then altitude is perpendicular, no?
And it divides the base.
After that, it did not tell, na? So look here. It is not, look, all of you listen here. It is not from the vertex. It is perpendicular and it bisects. In this figure, where it is bisecting point? In this figure, which is the bisecting point? E. D. At this point, if you draw a perpendicular this way, this is called perpendicular bisector. This is the midpoint and it is perpendicular. It doesn't pass through the vertex. Altitude started from the vertex, median and angle bisector started. Perpendicular bisector does not pass, maybe in some figures, but not in all the figures. Understood? Written perpendicular bisector. The word perpendicular bisector means what? Which is perpendicular and bisecting. What is the meaning of perpendicular? 90 degree. What is the meaning of bisecting? The perpendicular and divided. Perpendicular bisector. How many perpendicular bisectors? Three. Right. Three perpendicular bisectors can be drawn. Three perpendicular bisectors can be drawn. They all meet at a common point. Circum, finally, what is it? Circumcenter. Three perpendicular bisectors can be drawn. They all meet at a common point. Is called circum, CARCUM. Circumcenter. Circumcenter. There are two words are there. Later we'll discuss. One is called encircle. And second one is called circumcircle. Last year in circle somewhere we used. Okay, later we'll discuss. Anyway, this much is and final right. So you written on in an equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, altitude, median, angle bisector, and perpendicular bisector are same. In an equilateral triangle, altitude, median, angle bisector, and perpendicular bisector are same. So all these points are also same now. That orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter, and all now. See what who read this question now? Who wrote the rest of Girish, who was reading the next thing? Read once again. CD and
GH
are the
bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF.
ACB and
Angle EGF.
EGF. EGF.
Yes.
Okay. EGF, no?
Yes.
Hmm.
Such that D and H lie on EB.
Hmm.
And FE of triangle ABC and triangle FEC respectively.
Hmm.
If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG.
Triangle ABC similar to triangle.
FEG.
Is it EFG? No, FEG. No? This is F. 8 FEG.
Proof.
Hmm.
Triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE.
Triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE.
Triangle DC is similar to triangle HGF.
Hmm.
CD upon GH is equal to AC upon HG.
CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG, no? I have drawn the figure. Markings are done. Try to get the answer. It's not very complicated. I don't need to explain anything. I'm telling you.
तेरा best friend भी है।
क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया?
नहीं रिजेक्ट कर दिया भाई ऑफर स्टेप्स क्या 5 रुपए 6 रुपए दे रहा है मैं गरीब नहीं मंथली पॉकेट पर 1000 रुपए मिले बोलना है देखो
बोलना हमारे कहा है
ऐसे चुप हो जाता है भाई
भाई तो
बाद में जो माने करते
Good.
That's
But it's so simple one.
the DC and HG are the angle bisectors. So the both of the angle will be equal.
Which two angles are equal?
Angle DCB and angle HG.
How? You
Because
said these two angles are equal, no?
yes,
How did you get?
because CD and GH is the angle bisector.
Angle bisector. What is the meaning of angle bisector? Do you know what is the meaning of angle bisector?
It
Harshvardhan.
divides one angle into two equal.
That means these two angles are equal, these two angles are equal. Even if this is 30, this is 30, this is 40, means this is 40. How did you get these two are equal? Huh? Are you followed?
Sir,
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 Wait, let me say.
sir, the both the ACB and FG are similar. So the
Triangle ABC, yes. These two triangles are similar.
so the
Therefore, angle C and angle G are equal. Bisector means half of them are equal. Therefore, they are equal. Yes, one condition.
the angle B is equal to
Angle
FG.
B and angle E are equal because the triangles are similar now. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. First answer got it now. See, already is written over here, no? These two triangles are similar. What does it mean? These two triangles are similar. Corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are proportional. Which are the corresponding? Angle A is equal to angle. Angle, these two are equal, these two are equal. Understood or not? Understood or not? Look here, stop now. And you have to write this one. See, it's very simple. First you will write since they are similar, therefore angle ACB is equal to FGE. Therefore, half of ACB is equal to half of FGE. These two are equal. They similarly, these two are equal already because they are similar. So two pair of angles are equal. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA similarity. That is your first answer. Check the second answer, Richard.
Yes.
The same way, no? These above parts will be equal and these are common. And do you know how do you get third one? Check.
CBSE.
CPSC of which part?
Second part.
Second part, it's CED upon GH is equal to CA upon. It's all not complicated. You have to analyze. See the question. Okay, Patil. All right. Homeworks, I will not stop. I will stop over here. Some lot. All of you please stand up. Homework, you know what is to be done? No. Doesn't. All right. 6.2. 6.2 homework exercise you have to do. Total 20 sums you have to do it. And this was supposed to stay by. Please sit down. Please sit down. Well, the theorem. Done. And how? Those who have done the theorem completed. You tell standard. How many times? 3 times. You did 3 times. But those who are supposed to write the theorem and totally and go. You are continue from there, starting. Not there. Now what? Figure 2 times, 3 times, whatever. And 6, my dear. Patel, from which will here this side I can see your house. Come here, come here.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Oh, bye, bye. Tell, show me how. From here we can see the house. No, nothing. This side only, no?
Yes, yes.
From here, road you can see, no? From here,
Not
can
from
you,
here.
can you see the UT from there? At home? Then how do you see? From there you cannot see, here you can see. Your house can be seen from here? From their house you can see UT?
Yes.
Also very good. What do you think?
Let me see.
Where, which building?
I don't know.
Next time you should find